Hi everybody, I am Ritvik Sinha and you are watching the channel Tech and Study Studio. And now I am here with the new video on EASUS Master Partition. And as you know, many of them who have laptop and in the C drive, many of them in the C drive it keeps on working the C drive and gets full. And for that there is a software known as EASUS Master Partition, and what we will download and install that thing only. And when you download and install, it says for purchasing, and for the live unlimited one, because we want unlimited, it says that it asks for $399, but that's too much. And so here I am with the Keymaker also for free. Now let's begin. And now there's a link for that. I have created my own, that like all the key in that file folder, and when you will download that, it is by Google Drive. I have created that Google Drive folder one, and for that you have to download it, and here's the download link. I'll just provide that in the description. Control C, and now let's go to our browser, and here we have to paste that, Control V, and we have to click on enter. And it says Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses because it's too large. Maximum length for that is I think 30 MB, but this for 51 MB, so it's too large for scan. And it says, would you like to still download this file? Yeah, you have to click on download anyway. And when you click on it, it will start downloading. I think it is, yeah, it is of 51 MB. Till that I will pause my video because it will take a long time, so I am pausing the video. Yeah, now as you can see here, this file has been downloaded. Now what you have to do is you have to just drag from here and put it in the desktop. And the name of the file is EASUS Partition Master version 11.9 Keymaker plus installer. Now all that is also I have pasted in that desktop also. Now I have to minimize this, and you have to just extract here, and you have to wait for time. Now it's saying enter password for the encrypted file. I have made this zip file and password protected file. Now the password is 18192. I repeat again, 18192. Okay, and that was right. And now it's extracting. Yeah, now you have to do, you can do refresh. Yeah, now you have to open this folder. Open. When you say open, and we have two files of a need. One is that keygen folder and one is EPM trial. You don't have to open this EASUS Partition Master Technical, and this is the info file, system information file, like that something, but we don't have to open that. Now what you have to do is run this EPM trial file. This is the trial file, trial version. We'll see that how to activate it for free. Now it will ask for password. Yeah, now I have also just entered the password and all, like my laptop password, and it's saying now setup language. I am keeping it as English. and it takes some time, except you have to click here. And if you want to put it in C or any other, you can put it. I will just click browse. I don't want it C because my C drive is just little too small. I will just put it in my F drive. F is the best file. F is the best drive for me. And after that, after installing this, I will show you something of my laptop. Yeah. Now here it will put in my F drive. Now you have to click next. You want that it should be installed in some other drive. You can just browse up from there. Like here, you can click browse button over here, and next, and I think next. These are the additional tasks. You can customize them. I will disable these two. You can also, I recommend that you could just disable these two options. You can pick only desktop icon, that's much. Now next and next. Install means. And by the way, it's downloading. I will show you this, my devices and drives. You can see the C drive, it was before times, it was here 48.7. I will show you by marking. Yeah, here which is here it is saying 59.8 GB, or in earlier time it was 48.7 GB, and here only, and in this, not that were 15.4, it was like something 7 GB. But I earlier creating this video, I downloaded and installed the like Asus Partition Master and activated and done all things. And now after that doing all, and here it has before creating the at how to use, because it asked me by the reboot method, then video can't be delivered to you in YouTube. That's why. Now you have to click on finish, and now everybody here website is coming. You have to just cut it out. No, we don't want it in, like in Asus Partition that will open. Now here you can see it has created the desktop icon. Now I will open that. Now it will open. It takes some time because, and I think that I have saved it because now, and you have to just exit this if you have open other, and now you have to click on close here when a taskbar this side comes anywhere. And now we recommend closing all other applications while running Asus Partition Master. If you want that, then you can do it, otherwise you don't. Now everybody, you can see how this is all. How you can do is like, and you can watch other video on YouTube, or you can watch some videos of that how to just extend space in a drive using Asus Partition Master. And now our next thing is, and the last topic of our video is activate. You have to click on that activate. Now it asks for you select the right version of your disk management, and here you can see professional. It doesn't support the Windows or home server, that will be not fine. And server, you can do one thing, and in unlimited, wow, all the options are there. And if you have a license code also, you can do by that. And however, when you try just writing all the things like license code for our activation of EASA Smart Partition Master, you will get it. But after writing that code, it will not say, it will say like it is not the right code. Please enter the right code which you have got. Now what you have to do, and you have to again open my folder, or you can say a folder. And now you have to click on that keygen folder and you have to open it. And now what it's saying, license code, it's putting a number. Like what you have to do first is click on this generate button, and now what you have to do is you have to copy this license code, copy, and before that entering the activation code which you have got, don't put this one code which I have got. You have to put your own code by just doing these steps. And before putting that code into the EASA Partition Master, you have to, if you have a network that is connected to your laptop or PC, you have to disconnect it. And wait, I will disconnect my, and now I have disconnected my network also. Now what you have to do is, you have got this license code, copy it, and now what you have to do is just paste that license code over here, paste, and click on activate. It will take some time, but it will ask something more. You have to wait for it. Yeah, unable to connect to server, please follow the steps to activate. Submit your license code and machine code. Now what, to the EASA's official website? No. What you have to do is, you have to now copy this machine code. Got it? You have to copy this machine code from left to right and copy it. Yeah, copy. And now go to this key maker, and in the machine code you have to just paste that machine code. And now you can see here in the activation code, it's magic, like you have got the activation code, just copy that. And now what you have to do is paste here and click on OK. And it will take some time. Yeah, activation is succeeded. Yeah. Now click on OK. And now you can see here that like activate is not coming because our EASA's Partition Master has been activated. Now I hope that you have liked the video, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel so I can create new videos for you. Thank you and bye bye.